p.m. Doppler radar indicated additional moderate to heavy rain moving toward the area. Much of the region has already experienced 1 to 2 inches of rain. This additional rain will likely result in more widespread flooding of urban poor drainage areas and small rivers and streams. Some locations that will experience flooding include Newark, Jersey City, Patterson, Elizabeth, Passaic, Bayonne, Wayne, Hoboken, Plainfield, Broomfield, Hackensack, Orange, Bergenfield, Paramus, and Ridgewood. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots.